What up, it's your girl T. And guess what time it is? Bobbity bye! Food review! Alright, this is chocolate, y'all. It's called Ultra Ego. 60% cacao. Cacao. That's that cacao. Alright, this one is called Quinoa Crunch. Organic dark chocolate. That's what it look like. Bobbity bye! Quinoa Crunch. This one right here has 70% cacao. Cacao! Alright. And this one is like brown butter. It's called brown butter. And they both are like organic dark chocolate. So let's crack this bad boy open. Please don't be nasty. Please don't be nasty. I'm gonna try both of them. Look at the packaging. Yeah. Alright, let's crack it open. Where's the opening? Let's get it. Alright. Chocolatey goodness. Let me see my grace. Alright. You gotta say your grace. Say your grace. Alright, let's get it. So first one is brown butter. That's the one I'm gonna be trying first. Please don't be nasty. Please don't be nasty. That's good. That's good. That's bussin'. That's that chocolate. Y'all seen that episode of SpongeBob? SpongeBob and Patrick trying to sell chocolates? That's that. That's good, y'all. I'm a chocolate lover. I like fudge. Let me hide my forehead right quick. Sorry. I gotta hide my forehead. Alright. Now for the next piece. That quinoa crunch. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Quinoa crunch. Gotta rip you. Just don't try to open. You want a piece? Because I didn't offer the first one. I'm sorry. You want a piece? Say goodbye. How was it? Is it bussin'? Or no? It's bussin'. I see you took a small bite. No, let me try it. Let me try it. Let me tell you what I think. Good too. Chocolate. Both of them are good. But this butter, brown butter, the first one I ate, is more richer. It's more sweeter. I just clicked all on my joint. But yeah, brown butter is more sweeter than the quinoa crunch. And quinoa crunch with a little crunch beads in it taste more like a dark chocolate, even though they both are dark chocolate. That one, the butter, brown butter, tastes like milk chocolate, not dark chocolate. But they both are dark chocolate. But they both bussin'. They both taste good. If you like to bake and make cookies, you can use those and put them in the cookies. Because they both bussin'. They both good. You know what crunch? Dark chocolate, alter ego, organic, and brown butter. These joints. Ba-ba-dee-ba. Let me get it up on the camera. Ba-ba-dee-ba. Ba-ba-dee-ba. Organic. Y'all see the little joint? Organic. And that has been my food review. The chocolate. Make sure you hit and smash that like button. I don't know what y'all can comment down the bottom. But whatever y'all want to comment. Your favorite chocolate. Yeah. Comment down the bottom your favorite chocolate. Subscribe. Share with your friends. Your mother, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your auntie, your uncle. Your baby mother's cousin Tracy. Holla at your girl. Oh, bye.